right where you were, you'd have rolled right up. But when you stopped, it pushed the rock back.
That's it, come time out. Alright.
You know the routine. Oh, watch yourself. I need front lockers on my feet. Nice and smooth now. Go.
Dave,
You're up, go.
my dad.
Yes!
That's not bad, is it?